Hey everybody. Well, today something special. Now, this is probably going to ruffle a few feathers here and there because I'm going to take two limited editions and combine them. But before anybody slaughters me and, roasts me over the coals too badly, this was at the request of a client. So this is a client build. I know that doesn't really get me much leeway, but anyhow, check it out. I managed to get an OEM case, and this case is awesome. It is a numbered case, but the fella I'm making this for, he didn't like the original case back, which, hey, whatever, this is his build. But he really loved the bezel insert and loved this dial, the sashimi dial, the EVISON Sashimi dial. I can't remember the number off the top of my head. I'll leave a number in the description. But this thing is killer. So yeah, he wanted me to make this watch for a friend of his as a gift. Like, wow, we all need more friends like this. So let's get at her. I want to do this as much as you want to see it. Let's get this dial on this movement. That's an NH36 movement. Ugh. And as you can see, it's kind of a gold color. The day and the date. I did that on purpose because we're trying to go... The original sashimi watch is white and this sashimi pink here. It looks amazing, but we're gonna do little different things. I don't have the strap just yet either, so. But yeah, I figured the original watch actually has a little dot on the crown that's supposed to be representative of a drop of soy sauce. But since I don't have the original case, I figured that might have the same, or at least lend the same effect. So in case you're wondering what my idea was behind that. And then we've got these hands, which I think are perfect. Fish bones. I mean, that's about as perfect as it gets for this thing, isn't it? So let's get this thing wound over. Get some hands set. I figured this is a quite unique build. There's no way I wasn't going to share this with you guys, because this one's pretty awesome, I have to say. I like it a lot, I do. I love these unique builds that I've been doing lately for people. I mean, they're really awesome. You guys have some just amazing ideas. And I love building them for you guys. So please, continue. I don't mind crazy requests. I mean, half the fun is seeing if I can make it happen for you guys. Which I certainly hope I can, I do my best. Not far enough. Not far enough. That's looking better. Hey, that looks better indeed. But I think just a tiny bit on the forward. Just to level us out a bit. All right. Moving right along. Let's get this minute hand on her. I love these hands. These hands are so crazy. And there's no loom on the watch itself, with exception of the hands. I apologize for the horrible lighting again today, you guys. I need a second desk lamp like crazy. Let's see how we're doing. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. That's a little bit better. Let's have a quick look with the loop. We're looking better there. These are such strange looking hands, I tell you. Ah, there we go. That was what I was waiting to feel. Just didn't feel right. All right. All right, all right. Okay. I am going to give us a quick cleanup here. I'm going to get us prepped for the next steps. Yeah, I'm just going to try and keep this a quick build today. So I'm going to get us a couple steps ahead, and then we'll catch right back up. All right, so I've cleaned it up, and now she looks spotless. I had to get that chrome E for the EVISON E. It's EVISON Skateboards, which is a really cool Japanese brand. But I wish I had the strap for this, because actually it's white and it looks like rice. It's amazing looking. But I don't have that, but I do have a different strap coming. Oh, come here, you. That hopefully I can manage to pull off the same look. So, second hand, and then let's get the rest of this done. Oh, sorry if I'm in everybody's way. Just be a moment. Like so, like so. Just want to check that. You got to come down just a little further. Yeah, perfect. Perfect! These hands are the paint on them seems to be extremely fragile. You know, it took me a little bit extra to clean, because just touching them from setting them, seems like I knocked off like a little minuscule flakes of paint. And it took me forever to get every one of them. It's driving me nuts. But we managed to do it in the end, and that's all that matters. I'm just want to pick up the tail of that second hand a little bit, I think. I mean, we're good, but everything's just so bony. Everything sits in such weird spots on here. It's funny. That's okay. Adapt and overcome. It's just the tiniest little fix anyway. Yep, that's exactly where I wanted. Perfect. Okay, carrying on. Let's get our tools that we don't need out of the way. And let's get a stem sized for this guy. Actually, we might be in luck. I just realized this one came with the stem already in the crown. So, what are the chances? I say we got a 50-50 on this one, folks. Like most things in life, are 50-50, I surmise. just want to take a quick look inside this case. I don't know if it's clean in here or not. So give me a moment here, people. Actually, we're looking clean in the case, so it's good. It's good. It's good. Let's get her cased up. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. I really am. I had this in my head. I wanted to, stupidest thing is, I wanted to make this watch. And then a guy approached me and said, hey, can you do something like this for me? And I said, sure, man. I've got the perfect idea. So, yeah. I'm kind of stoked on this one, you guys. I like this one. I think it looks fabulous. Are we in a good spot? In the good spot? Are we in the good spot? Why does that feel a little off ski? Feels a little off ski. Yeah, I think we're a little off. Yep, I can actually see it. I can see it. We are the tiniest bit out of alignment. I think that did it. Still not in the right place. What's going on here? We'll get it. Okay, we're winding. It's not a screw down crown on this one, unfortunately, but that's okay. What's going on here? Are we still just out, maybe? Maybe. Let's give it just a little nudge, just a little love. I don't feel like it moved anywhere, but sometimes that's all it needs. What's going on here, folks? Oh. Wait just a minute. Oh. It's the right crown, or sorry, the right stem. I'm just not holding my tongue the right way, I guess. Usually the way it goes, you know. Well, I know it's something small, something minor that I've got just slightly misaligned. So I'm going to sort it, and I'll be back, and I'll let you know what happened. Okay, we're back. That was literally seconds. You know, I was just being extremely gentle, and I just needed to give it a little more pressure to give it a shove, and it works just fine now. So we are going to quickly clean this all up, and then we are going to close this up, and I'll show you what we got, everybody. I can't show you on the strap. Hopefully I've got it on a strap in the JPEG for you, but at the moment I'm waiting on the strap myself. I just wanted to get this done because I had all the other parts, and this thing is just crazy cool looking. So crazy cool. Alrighty. So OEM case. I'll leave the number of it, like I say, down below. Numbered case, one of 1500, I think it was. OEM dial, the EVISON Sashimi dial. Oh, for the love of you know where. Maybe we'll do this way instead this time. OEM case back that I actually had kicking around. He was lucky because he wanted a display case back. This one came with one, but he preferred this one. So, well, whatever. That's fine too. Yeah, those fishbone hands, which, come on, those are so cool. If you don't like them, you're crazy. Yeah, whatever. You don't like them, you don't like them. I don't care. I like them. I think they fit the build perfectly. I'm not sure why this case back gasket's bugging me. There we go. It's still not sitting in there well. What's going on here? Oh, I bet I know the issue. I bet I know the issue. Yes, I do. It's not going to fit an SKX gasket. That's what it is. That's all right. I will dig us out another gasket. But regardless, here we are, you guys. I think that looks incredible. Case back in my hand. I think that looks so awesome. The fish bones on the sashimi. Now, as soon as I can get this on a strap, you guys can see how awesome this looks. In general. Anyway, had to share this one with you guys because this is the coolest build. Like, wow. Anyhow, thanks for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you again next time. Cheers, everybody. Have a good one.